Hey guys, how's it going? Little update here. We had some good progress. Bunch of wiring, as you'll see, and some other cool projects too. So down here, big project this week was getting this installed. MSD control box. It's an MSD DIS 4 Plus. Allows me to control all the ignition goodies up here, plus a rev limit and a two-step, which is going to be necessary for drag racing and many things. The rev limiter is necessary for pretty much everything, but the two-step is really necessary for the drag strip. And the way that's working up here, still got some of the wiring open doing some testing, and essentially when you pull the clutch lever in here, when the clutch lever is about halfway in, it turns on the two-step. The two-step limits the RPM to keep the engine from building too much boost at the starting line, but allow me to build some so it'll really shoot off like a rocket ship. And the wiring is really coming together. As you see, there's quite a bit in this little old bike. Used to be an old vintage Honda, but it's currently a massively updated. New boost gauge up here. Everything comes on with the key. Life is good. Even got a little more lighting back here. And if we see here, if it'll go, let's give her a try. Yep, need some more fuel. Once again, tuning, fuel, wiring. And I got this from a buddy. Was able to borrow an old school timing light, because this still has a points ignition. Buried underneath this cover is a little bit more wiring and a couple point sets, and that's what fires off the coils up here through the MSD box. Luckily the MSD box registers the point signal and doesn't really need anything electronic, and all seems to be working out really good. So tuning, calibrating, getting it all worked out, getting the fuel correct to these carburetors, getting the fuel pressure correct to the carburetors, because now has a complete fuel system with the pumps on the other side. This is the return back into the tank here. So quite a bit of tuning, but once it all gets done, it's gonna be amazing. This thing's gonna be a rocket ship. New project over here. Of course, more stuff here for wiring. Wiring fun. This one is a beautiful, beautiful YZ Enduro, as you can see. 250, tons of fun. Two-stroke. Good old kickstart two-stroke. How can you not have fun with that? Except none of the lights work. None of the wiring is really correct. But we're getting there. We're definitely getting there. And it's actually waiting on a new part to show up today, which is an old vintage part from 1970. 1973 actually on this one. It's a 73 DT250 Enduro. So once that part gets here, we may have some lights, camera action. And this thing might be able to go for a ride. If so, you guys will see that. And hear it probably, because this thing's a neat old two-stroke. Loving it. Like, subscribe. More to come. Thank you.